Good morning, MotoDreamers, and welcome to rainy, foggy Denmark. We are heading down today to the south of Denmark to pack a Yamaha T700 that is going to Uganda for our next Uganda trip. So we've been involved in purchasing a few units here in Denmark, and they will now be packed and then shipped by plane to Kampala. So they will be ready for us in December when we go back to ride. So brand new bikes. We look forward to it. So we're on the way to Varde, Carsten's MC in the south of Denmark. And we're gonna go pack the first Yamaha T700 that is flying from Denmark to Istanbul and then down to Kampala, where our partner down there is gonna receive it, make everything ready for our trip in December. So follow along. We're gonna go pack, cut, strap, whatever we need to do to get it ready, and it will get picked up tomorrow by the airline, and then we will see it a few months from now. We made it to Carsten's MC here in Varde, southern Denmark, big bike shop, and we are now going around the back, and then we will start packing the pallet, which we brought in my trailer. We have all the tools, we have all the kit ready to go. As you can see, we got a pallet from the dealer that is already prepared here. This is one of the original pallets that the bikes arrive on. It has here a little mount where we're gonna put the front axle of the bike. We're gonna take off the wheel, and then we're gonna mount the axle right here, and then we're gonna strap the bike down to the pallet and build a box around it. Strapped onto the pallet. This is where we're gonna get the wood for our box. Gonna find some big slabs of wood, and then we're gonna construct the box. And just like that, it starts looking like a box, a crate for the airline, which they asked for. So check that out. The bike is right there. Perfect. So, missing the sides, and we're good. And as you can see, we have made inspection holes on the box. So if you come with me here, look in there, you can see the chassis number, and that's what customers need to be able to check that it's actually a real bike and nothing else. No funny stuff in the box. That's it. So before we close, we just want to make a quick video here so everybody knows what's in the box. These are the manuals and extra keys, the visor or the windscreen, the mirrors, the handguards are packed in. Everything is in perfect order, not a scratch, brand new. So ready to go to Uganda. Det er sgu ikke noget. Alrighty. Alrighty, we're done. Over and out, packed and ready to go. Next stop, Uganda. So see you in December.